Welcome to Manila. So yan mga bay, we're finally here in Manila. Day 2 ngayon for the Yamaha Rev PH Challenge. Let's go! Kasama natin mga bay, yan si Sir, si Justin.
What's up mga
Yan,
boss?
yung mga kargado, alam nyo na yan.
Yan, tayo dyan. Secret lang dapat.
Gospel messing with this beat.
Pagdating natin sa Y-Zone ay naimbitahan tayo sa programa ng motorsiklo eksklusibo.
Partner, papasukin na natin. Siya po ay mas kilala sa Ubek Rider. Yan.
Yan, good
Good
morning.
morning, bro. Bati ka muna, bro.
Hello, good morning. Mayong buntag sa tanan, sa Visayas, Mindanao, mayong pagtanaw.
Sa punto na ito mga bay ay binibriefing na kaming 5 motovloggers para sa Day 2 Challenge dito sa Yamaha Rev Zone. Ang Day 2 Challenge namin mga bay is makapag-convince kami ng Yamaha user customer na makapag-download ng Yamaha Rev PH app or magbumili sila ng spare parts and accessories at makonvince namin sila na magpa-service sa kanilang motor at ang pinakamalaking points ay makonvince namin sila na bumili ng bagong motorsiklo. At dito mga bay, meron ding bonus point na mag-scan kami ng QR code coming from the brand partners. So ngayon mga bay, next challenge natin is kailangan natin na limang mga Yamaha users na magda-download ng app. Kaya, let's go! Kaya dali-dali tayong naganap within the area ng mga 5 Yamaha users para makapag-download sa bagong Yamaha Rev PH app. At maswerte tayo dahil may 5 nag-download ng Yamaha app at nakumpleto natin ang challenge na ito. At natapos din natin yung challenge pero unfortunately hindi tayo nakapag-convince na bumili ng motor at makapag-PMS sa kanilang motor. Pero go lang ng go! At itong nakaitim pala mga bay, ito yung mga Japanese nationals na mga developer ng My Yamaha Rev PH app. Sa part na ito mga bay, naging artista tayo saglit.
We have our 5 moto vloggers who turned the challenge into content and the content into impact. And of course, next we have Ubek Riders and he was dropped in Rev Zone Maxilong.
And let's give it up for our 5 moto vloggers. Sir Cliff, nagamit mo nga yung My Yamaha Motor Rev PH app. Ano masasabi mo dun sa app? Anong pwede nilang i-expect?
So sa mga hindi pa naka-download, mag-download na kayo ha. So bale yung nakita ko, the app itself is very useful. Kopyahin na kita Sir JT and rewarding. Useful in a sense kasi makikita nyo dun sa app yung mga services na i-offer nila, tapos yung mga special events na pwede nyong salihan. At ito yung isa sa mga feature na nagustuhan ko talaga, na meron siyang option dun sa ibaba na makikita nyo yung nearest dealer kung saan ka. So wherever you are in the Philippines, i-on nyo lang yung location ninyo, check yung dealers, makikita nyo kagad yung pinaka-nearest na dealer. At also rewarding in a sense kasi every transactions that you make, mapa-PMS man yan, isi-service yung motor, meron kayong bibilhin na motor, may corresponding points yan.
Successful ang launching ng Yamaha app at sa mga hindi pa nakapag-download, ito po yung perks at rewards na naghihintay sa inyo sa pag-download ng app. Ito ay available for Android and Apple users.
Redefine your Yamaha experience with My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. Access rewards, premium perks, special activities in one seamless digital experience by downloading it today. Every move counts because we made sure you have a variety of ways to earn points to unlock more rewards. Whether it's buying a new motorcycle, getting service, or purchasing parts and apparel, you earn points for every transaction, making each moment and every peso you spend with us made even more worth it. It's not just to purchases. Points are also earned by joining activities, referrals, and rating sales services after purchasing a motorcycle. Rewards await at every level. You start at the blue level and go up to bronze, silver, gold, and finally, platinum. The more points you earn, the higher the tier, and better the rewards. Your points unlock special items from Yamaha and vouchers from brand partners. Plus, you get access to exclusive Yamaha events, test rides, special experiences, and more. Getting started is easy. Download the app, register, and start unlocking rewards today.
From Inside Moto, congratulations!
Adrian Bogna of Inside the Moto.
Ayun oh!
So ayan mga bay, it's a wrap. Day 2 challenge is done. Congratulations kay Inside Moto for winning or being the first Platinum member ng Yamaha. So nag-enjoy tayo sa vlog natin, the whole experience. Thank you very much to Yamaha Philippines, pati na rin sa lahat ng mga vloggers na nagbuo ng event na ito. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood mga bay. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next vlog. Peace!
Sir Barry, naging tulong nito ni Sir Barry.
No problem.
Shoutout sir, shoutout. Sige, shoutout.
Shoutout ko yung asawa ko, Crystal May Lamset.
Ayun.